Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, join me on a gastronomic journey as we explore the world of lamb dishes. Get ready to savor the rich and succulent flavors of lamb cuisine. Recipe 1. Herb-crusted roast lamb. Our culinary odyssey begins with a classic, herb-crusted roast lamb. Gather these ingredients. Leg of lamb. Garlic. Fresh rosemary and thyme. Dijon mustard. Olive oil. Salt and pepper. Let's dive into the world of exquisite roasts. Cooking instructions for herb-crusted roast lamb. Preheat your oven to a perfect roasting temperature. Create a flavorful herb paste by blending garlic, rosemary, thyme, Dijon mustard, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Rub the herb paste generously over the leg of lamb, ensuring an even coating. Roast the lamb in the oven until it reaches your desired level of doneness. Rest the roast before carving to let the juices redistribute for maximum flavor. Recipe 2. Greek-style lamb souvlaki. Next up, let's venture into the Mediterranean with Greek-style lamb souvlaki. Gather these ingredients. Lamb shoulder or leg, cubed. Olive oil. Lemon juice. Garlic. Oregano. Salt and pepper. Prepare for a burst of Mediterranean flavors. Cooking instructions for Greek-style lamb souvlaki. Marinate the lamb cubes in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, oregano, salt, and pepper. Thread the marinated lamb onto skewers and grill to perfection. Serve with a side of tzatziki sauce, pita bread, and your favorite Greek salad. Recipe 3. Moroccan lamb tagine. Now, let's transport our taste buds to Morocco with a fragrant Moroccan lamb tagine. Gather these ingredients. Lamb stew meat. Ras el Hanout spice blend. Onion. Garlic. Chickpeas. Tomatoes. Apricots. Chicken broth. Prepare for an aromatic and flavorful journey. Cooking instructions for Moroccan lamb tagine. Brown the lamb in a tagine or heavy-bottomed pot. Sauté onions and garlic until fragrant, then add Ras el Hanout spice blend for that Moroccan flair. Add chickpeas, tomatoes, dried apricots, and chicken broth to the pot. Simmer until the lamb is tender and the flavors meld together. Serve the tagine over couscous for an authentic Moroccan experience. Recipe 4. Mint and lemon grilled lamb chops. For a refreshing and zesty delight, let's grill up some mint and lemon lamb chops. Gather these ingredients. Lamb chops. Fresh mint. Lemon zest. Olive oil. Salt and pepper. Prepare for a burst of freshness on your palate. Cooking instructions for mint and lemon grilled lamb chops. Marinate lamb chops in a mixture of chopped mint, lemon zest, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Grill the lamb chops to your desired doneness, ensuring a nice char on the outside. Serve with a drizzle of fresh lemon juice and garnish with additional mint. Recipe 5. Slow-cooked lamb shanks in red wine sauce. Our culinary journey concludes with a hearty and comforting dish. Slow-cooked lamb shanks in red wine sauce. Gather these ingredients. Lamb shanks. Red wine. Beef or lamb broth. Tomato paste. Onion. Carrots. Garlic. Rosemary and thyme. Prepare for a melt-in-your-mouth experience. Cooking instructions for slow-cooked lamb shanks in red wine sauce. Brown the lamb shanks in a hot pan to seal in the flavors. Sauté onions, garlic, and carrots until caramelized. Deglaze the pan with red wine and add tomato paste, rosemary, and thyme. Place the lamb shanks in a slow cooker and pour the red wine mixture over them. Slow cook until the lamb is fork tender and the sauce is rich and flavorful. And there you have it. 5 sumptuous lamb dishes to elevate your culinary experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or an aspiring home cook, these recipes offer a delightful range of flavors to explore. If you enjoyed this culinary adventure of crafting lamb dishes with me today, stay tuned for more delicious recipes and cooking inspirations. Until next time, may your kitchen be filled with the aroma of culinary excellence and the joy of creating memorable meals.